To remain open or not, that question will be answered tomorrow when Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie addresses Parliament about the way forward for beaches and rivers in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, we visited a few beaches last weekend, and despite threats to reimpose restrictions, many people seemed unperturbed. Officials from the Social Development Commission were back on the ground on the weekend to monitor activities at beaches and rivers island-wide. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie told an OPM press briefing Monday evening 91% of the places which were assessed were in breach of the COVID-19 protocols. We also went looking for ourselves. First stop, St. Anne. These cars parked along the roadside near the popular Laughing Waters tell the tale of the magnitude of the problem. For safety reasons, we didn't venture to the exact spot, as we were told it's private property and that we would have been required to jump over a fence and walk through bushes to get to the beach. So we kept it moving and came across more cars parked alongside yet another popular spot, Little Duns River Falls. The police were on hand, but we were later told they were responding to a robbery. Here's the view from up top. So much for gatherings of no more than 10 people or people wearing masks. In fact, as the day persisted, more people were rolling in. Marvin Dunn is one of the caretakers for the venue.
Well, we got guide gate to people they here with us who keep the place clean, and like the gate, and we do too much people here, so most time them turn back the people in.
Guides like this man who people call History.
Some people unruly, and everywhere you go you find unruly people. They don't cooperate it.
Yeah, man, I mean, a lot of people is here, but people still mindful of the COVID, man, same way. So, we're still trying to keep the limit, the distancing and everything, but at the same time, we're here to have fun.
In Runaway Bay, Flavors Beach was near to perfect when it came to physical distancing, but non-swimmers did not wear masks. Our next stop, Alligator Pond Beach, which borders St. Elizabeth and Manchester. The bikers came rolling in, people arriving in their numbers, and by mid-afternoon, this was the scene. We barely saw anyone wearing masks, and there was no physical distancing.
I don't really nothing to me, they're not hacker, so I don't really about that to me.
This is all we got in Jamaica, you understand? And we really just want to know people from all over can come here and they can enjoy themselves.
Most people we spoke with said beaches and rivers provide well-needed relief from the heat. While they agreed that protocols are important in light of the current pandemic, they complained that physical distancing is difficult. Questions were also raised about monitoring.
Two cops, they came here sometime and said, well, socially distance or the river is closed or so. By the time they drive out, it's crowded again.
In Clarendon, we headed to Salt River, which is believed to have healing properties.
I feel this water is salt, so I feel like the water I cut away the virus. It's a mineral water and it heals a lot of people. Because when you come here morning time, you see living oil pan it.
So yeah, so I'm a main source of living. So if they lock it down, we're going back to square zero.
When he addresses Parliament on Wednesday, Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie will outline the way forward for beaches and rivers.